Weather-wise, it was a tad milder in the nation today. Let's see if this will hold up on the last day of the work week by going over to Kwon Soa at the Weather Center. Soa, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening to all our viewers. Now, yesterday was a very cold day, especially if you had to stand in the lines to vote. But today's mercury levels rose to the positives. Now, tomorrow will be similar temperature-wise, but with a round of precipitation. A low-pressure trough that will pass through the South Sea will lead to rain beginning on Jeju Island, which expects around 50 millimeters around the mountains. The rest of the island and South Coast regions should receive 5 to 30, and most other regions 5 to 10 millimeters. Now, for some, including here in the capital Seoul, it could be a mix of rain and snow or just snow. Now, temperature-wise, it'll stay on the comfortable side until Saturday before the next cold spell arrives by Sunday. So keep that in mind. But as I said, tomorrow won't be that bad. In fact, the morning starts off a lot higher than today, with Seoul's low at -3, Daegu's at 0, and Gwangju and Busan's at 2. Now, highs should reach 2, 4, 6, and 7 respectively. And taking over to other places, Daejeon begins at -2 and hits +2. Jeju and Dokdo will be pretty mild, and Mount Kumgang tops out at -1. Now, don't forget your umbrellas tomorrow, and if you're watching from somewhere else, here's the international weather. Let's begin in Beijing, where you can expect a partly cloudy day and an increase in temperatures after some widespread snow Thursday night. In Tokyo, it'll get cloudier and cloudier as the day progresses. In Islamabad, New Delhi, Manila, and Bangkok, you'll have nothing but sunshine. Scattered thunderstorms in Jakarta, some arriving in the afternoon in Kuala Lumpur. Both won't have very much precipitation though. Now, after a scorching hot day in Perth, you'll get a relief on the last day of the work week, but even cooler spots will be Sydney and Melbourne. Expect gusty winds down in Wellington. I hope gloomy conditions in Vancouver won't get you down on Friday, or in Montreal, where a mix of rain and snow is in the picture. Meanwhile, in the U.S., winter storm Draco is bringing heavy snow and gusty winds, especially in the northwest, while the Midwest will also be affected. In Chicago, you can expect windy conditions and snow showers until around Friday noon. Now get ready for afternoon thunderstorms down in Sao Paulo, but a calm day in Rio de Janeiro. The heat, however, should not be underestimated. Santiago and Buenos Aires will also be pretty warm and sunny. Now, maybe not a good idea to travel to Moscow at this time of the year, but residents should be used to it. So Friday's highs looks to hit -17 degrees, along with very cloudy skies. Paris and Rome will get a little wet. Madrid's going to be foggy in the morning. Lots of sunshine on our African map, but also places in the teens like Algiers and Cairo. In Addis Ababa, you'll see a fair amount of clouds swifting along the skies. Now, for more weather updates, I'll be back here after 10, so see you then.
And that's all the time we have for now, but I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.
Next.